where they fix semis. There they are. You feeling, Sean's a Chevy guy, you want to be famous?
I told him, you better not put me on camera.
You're already famous.
Goddamn Mopar.
Yeah.
Junk ass thing.
He's a Chevy. Are you feeling the divine energy on this Mopar working on it?
Am I what?
Divine energy.
No, no, my energy level's like...
You're the reason for this, aren't you? You guys are jawing in here about who's got a faster car. Isn't that how it started?
I'm going to tell you, to be honest with you. I already have in faster cars. I know that by heart, because fucking Mopars are slow. They take too much money to go fast.
Yeah, you got that right.
And I know that.
So now she gets that high bill primer.
Yeah.
And then look for any scratches or dingers or anything, huh? And fill that. Shouldn't be any, huh?
Well, it might be a couple of things in there, but no, it shouldn't be the most part. It's pretty thick.
When you guys, now will you have to tape, will you put a tape down there and make that line straight? Really? Yeah.
I've been doing it as I go.
And then there's just a bunch of body lines on this thing too.
I like
1, 2, 3, yeah.
So that's what makes you, you know, when you're said and done.
Oh yeah.
You did a good job. This one kind of hard because of patches front and rear quarters.
Yeah.
Trying to get them back right. Or just put a little skin on them.
And then these had all kinds of holes to fill too, the fender, right? One of them.
Yeah.
Of course, that's not the least of it, I suppose, huh? It's like that old saying, it'll be nice when it's done, huh?
Yep. See a spot I didn't see him. No, I see him. I didn't think I did.
Oh yeah. What are you gonna hit that with then? 8. Trunk pan. Drop offs.
So that picture of that race car, pretty nice race car, dude.
Yeah.
That thing.
Then I blocked it out this morning. I mean, this is just.
She's
That's
good
all
to go. Oh yeah.
So now see this, we'll do the final wet sand on this.
Yeah.
And this was pretty good. It had a couple little that back corner, this corner over here. I had to put a little body filler in, and there was a ding here, I think a ding over there. And then when I blocked it out, I found a ding here.
Now how smooth do you get it? Because I mean, this feels like this spot's smooth. You can see looks like a little texture there. You
Yeah,
gotta
that
get all
texture
that
here,
out.
but see this here is underneath the scoop.
Oh, okay.
So I didn't even worry about that.
Yeah.
But that's why I got one coat of primer. But I laid primer out here. Now this will get final wet sanded. So this is just sprayed on. So this will be wet sanded.
This is just sprayed on, huh?
Yeah,
Wow.
this is me primering it.
Wow.
This has got a coat of that green stuff that I gave you, that epoxy, and then 1220 primer over it. Then this one, I fixed it all. That's where all the cracks and shit were. But anyway, so this one I had spray poly on it, and I blocked it out this morning. And
Where'd you find that scoop?
It was on this one.
Oh, it was, oh yeah. Of course, this one still needs some primer.
Yeah, so then while he was doing that quarter pound, that's all we had left, so I went ahead and, but see this one we'll just, I'll put another coat of epoxy on it, we'll just 1220 this one. We don't need,
Because it's underneath.
yeah, it's not, there's not a whole lot of, it don't need a whole lot of
It's
fill.
a paint booth right here. And this is the deck lid.
That's gonna get some spray poly on it.
Was this one, you were talking about getting the later one with a ridge, but you
This one does have it's not the big ridge, but it does have a
A
little.
yeah, it looks like it.
Now this is what's supposed to be on. 70, 71 don't have the ridge.
Okay, that's what I thought. Cool. Should have mounted this camera instead of held it on a selfie stick. In Louise, the day after I finished this clutch, I thought what a better way to put some miles on it than go see Drew and see how he's doing in his Demon. So anyway, yeah, we're going there. Clutch is working okay, like a clutch ought to, so yeah, there we go.
Several days later.
Damn, Holmes. Looks good, huh?
I get the black laid out. I got the scoop and the spoiler and the
You gonna do all that before you take the hood home?
two trim pieces and the inside. These are already sanded. I sanded these this morning, the spoiler. So I got to lay the stripe out on the hood.
Oh, the door's getting black, I guess, right? Yeah. What do you do with, what color is that? Flat or?
Yeah, I'm gonna do flat.
Flat black.
Flat, and then these will be flat, and then the dash will be flat. And we'll get one of them white gauge clusters. Them white.
Oh yeah. And then you're gonna lay out. You're gonna have the big.
Yeah.
The
So
big.
come like that, and then curve in here. Scoop's ready to go too. I got some,
Trash.
a couple of specs in it.
That's one thing about a white car.
That's all in the black anyway.
guys. See that?
How bad are they?
I just saw a few here. Maybe
Little
get some-
ones, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that's all black anyway.
Oh.
There's one there. Yeah, I sprayed it last night, walked out.
Would you have 14 hours the last day when I was over here? Did you get here at 6?
Yeah. I didn't leave till 8. And then yesterday I got here I got here at 4 yesterday and
Famous.
I didn't leave till 8 last night.
Yeah, it looks good, man.